Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin inside Final Cut Pro with the project open and missing clips visible. First, select the library, event, or specific clips you want to relink. This scopes the process so you don't relink everything. Then choose File, Relink Files, and confirm the selection. Do this now because Final Cut looks for original file paths. If drives are disconnected or folders moved, the app can't find media. Once your selection is ready, click Relink to start the lookup. Once Relink Files opens, focus on criteria, you control precision. Select matching options like file name, timecode, reel, or format so Final Cut compares the correct metadata. This prevents mismatches. Make sure to enable search subfolders when media moved into nested folders, and include proxies or optimized media if needed. You can preview each candidate in the dialog. Always check a clip or two to verify sync and frame count. If results look wrong, broaden or narrow. After you run the relink, Final Cut reports progress and success counts, but don't stop there. Scrub several relinked clips in the timeline and viewer to confirm audio sync, in and out points, and color. If everything checks out, consolidate or copy media to a single, stable drive to prevent repeat problems. If relink fails, reveal the candidate file in Finder, confirm exact file names and timecode, and then retry, if needed. Restore from your backup, or reconnect the original drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.